Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Black Ops 6 error code 887A0005, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and just update your graphics driver, and you can do that by going over to, well, if you have NVIDIA, go over to GeForce Experience, go over to drivers, and then just make sure that this has the check GeForce Game Ready driver. You can check for updates, and if there's an update, just go ahead and update it. Once that's done, I do recommend restarting your PC. But anyways, let's move on to the next step. The second method you guys can try doing is, if you have Black Ops 6 downloaded through Steam, go over to Library, go over to Black Ops 6, look for it, right click on it, hit Properties, and then go over to Installed Files. And then you want to go ahead and click on Verify this game's files are installed correctly, and then hit Verify Integrity of Game Files. And what this basically does is that if there are any if there are any corrupt files, this will basically remove them and then help fix the issue as well. And then you can make sure that your PC or whatever you're on is not overheating, because if it's overheated, that can also cause this issue. And yeah, that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.